In 2025, the fashion landscape for female artists transformed into a vibrant tapestry where creativity knew no bounds. The year was marked not only by the boldness of designs, but by the statements they carried. This narrative unfolds at the glamorous Met Gala, where the star-studded event displayed an array of daring looks that would soon set trends globally. Among the legendary looks was that of renowned pop star Astrid Vega. Always known for her futuristic style, Astrid arrived wrapped in an iridescent gown reminiscent of a shimmering galaxy. The gown, designed by the avant-garde artist Julian L'Claire, was equipped with miniature lights and sensors. The gown created an aura that danced to the rhythm of her heartbeat. It wasn't merely a dress, but a living, breathing piece of art. Meanwhile, from the world of alternative rock, Lowe made headlines with her bold ensemble. She walked the red carpet in a bioengineered dress that appeared to grow and move like a living organism. This dress by eco-friendly fashion pioneer Min-Ji Ahn was made entirely from lab-grown materials. The dress intertwined nature with technology, symbolizing the union of art and sustainable innovation. The theme of the gala, Beyond the Ordinary, invited attendees to defy norms, and film actress Yara Khan chose to explore cultural boundaries. Her outfit was a fusion of traditional fabrics from 5 continents, crafted by renowned designer Kei Tanaka. Each piece held a story, and Yara walked with grace, encapsulating global unity through fashion. Rap sensation Kelsey Jett took a futuristic approach with her choice of attire. That included a holographic cloak. As she moved, the cloak projected images of historical female icons. The cloak paid homage to the trailblazers who paved the way for artists today. The cloak, a product of genius tech designer Mike Hayato, was not just a garment, but a tribute to legacy and empowerment. These daring looks in 2025 served not only as fashion statements, but as catalysts for discussions on inclusivity, sustainability, and the future of artistic expression. They exemplified how fashion could be both an art form and a powerful medium for change.